here in Berry, one of the ultimate weekend getaways for all Sydney-siders. We're about to check out a premier Airbnb with one of the best views money can buy. Stephen and Sandra, congratulations on such a beautiful pool, but I have to speak about this view we have behind us. This has to be one of the most majestic views I've seen from a property. Would you say this is the best location you've ever had the opportunity to build a pool?
I'd say it's definitely at the top. Yeah, it's one of the best, and it's not a bad office to work in.
So we've got a lot of trees around us and we've got quite a bit of wind here. How are we keeping this pool so clean?
The other product that we do is we do the Aussie UnderCover.
Right.
So you have a pool blanket. There is a pool blanket that exists in this pool, but you can't see it because it's all hidden under the cover.
Fantastic. And how long have you been running Aussie UnderCover for?
Since about 2007, 2008. We sort of developed it back then and just sort of did it with pools that we installed and the customers that we had. And then it grew to where people wanted it all around Australia, and that's what we do now.
Fantastic. And why are they so important? Why did you come up with the idea that this is a necessity for pools?
Well, every pool needs a pool cover, especially in a rural area like this. It's high wind, as you said, lots of greenery, lots of leaf matter into the pool, lots of dust gets picked up and gets thrown into the pool. And if it's heated, you really need to keep the heat in the water. You don't want to be paying for money, you know, to go up into the atmosphere. So a pool cover is a requirement, but in a beautiful area like this, the last thing you want to see is the pool cover.
Yeah.
So we developed a system that allows you to hide it in your paving or your decking or your fake turf or whatever you do, so you only see it when you want to use it.
Cheers, guys.
Thank you.
Cheers.
And thank you for having us, guys. And
no, it's fantastic.
bringing me down here to enjoy this magical view and to see your amazing work that you've done here.
Yeah, no,
Thank you so much.